This is Jerry with Jerry's Retirement Wisdom. Today we're unboxing the Scraper Utility Knife by Toughbuilt. We picked this knife up at Lowe's for $19.98, and I thought it was a really unique knife. It comes in a nice package that demonstrates the scraper feature. It also comes with 5 universal blades. So let's retract the blade and get it out of this package, and we'll take a look at it. The back of the package is nice. It shows some of the features of the blade. It can be used as a utility knife. It'll flip from utility to scraper position, and you can use it as a scraper tool. So it's really a neat little tool with lots of features loaded in. First off, it can be used as a standard utility knife. The blade, in order to change it, you simply push the yellow tab to the side and remove the blade. It's a unique blade. It has a hole here in the middle, and I suppose that's to help for safety when you have it in scraper mode. So, there you go. Now, to use it in scraper mode, you extend from cut to scraper mode, and the tool automatically flips the blade so that it can be put into scraper mode. This is a great little blade if you do a lot of painting or work where you might have dried on glue or that sort of thing that needs scraped away. So you can use it as a scraper, and it quickly and easily converts back to a utility knife. The knife blade stores in the body of the knife so that it's safe. There's a extra little feature on the back. It has a paint can opener on the back side of the blade. This would be a great little addition to any painter's tool bag. Once again, scraper mode, back to utility mode. The only negative I could see in the whole thing, this tool uses the universal blade, which is unique, I believe, to this tool. The blade can be used with other utility knives, but I'm not so sure that a standard utility knife blade could be used with the Scraper Utility Knife by Toughbuilt. All in all, though, for $19.98 at Lowe's, I think it was a nice little tool. I'd recommend you pick one up if you do a lot of painting and other sort of work where you need a scraper handy and you don't want to go digging through your tool bag. This thing could be carried on in your pocket or in your tool belt, and would be really handy to have around. This has been Jerry with Jerry's Retirement Wisdom, unboxing the Toughbuilt Scraper Utility Knife. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll keep the videos coming. We'll see you next time.